Look at it from pre-market. Here, here, here. What do I always say, everybody? We're right here. This is puts. Yes. Puts on resistance. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. That means it's going
Yep.
this way. That means it's going this way. That means it's going this way. Do you see any one of those being calls? No. If it would have did it again, I would have looked at it again. You're more likely to go down than you are to go up. And then once it's broken above this area, then we have to reevaluate the entire day, right? Because now it's broken. But look at this, right? You guys would have known anyways. What's the 15-minute rule?
If the first 15-minute candle doesn't close above the pre-market high, it's going to be down or choppy for the day.
That is correct. And you can see right there, first 15-minute candle, right, was lower than pre-market high, and it never broke that level the rest of the day, did it?